This is the AZ Rain website. It's a WordPress website using the Aveda theme. The focus of this website are the animals that are up for adoption. They accept dogs and cats. Here's some of the animals. Sometimes they don't have a picture for them. Let's see if we look at Hunter. See the information on Hunter. Some widgets that are on the right side here. There's 4 different pictures for Hunter, and you can just allow the website to scroll through them for you, or you can control it. Down here we've got some other animals that you could go directly to. Oh, you can share this page on Hunter. You can go to another page. Let's go to Fake. Down here are the 8 most recent animals that have been added. Down here in the footer, we've got the social media icons. They only have Facebook. They also wanted this link to the donate page, this up to the top of the page. It's a really nice feature. Again, the same up here. Contact information left. Now in this nice little info bar where it's just an additional place where you can put information. If we go back to the home page, this is scrolling through all those animals that are available, highlighting the 4 needs. We need people to adopt, foster animals, donate their time and money, donate their money and volunteer their time. If we were to click on one of these, it would take us to information about that one. We need foster parents. There's a lot of these cute little graphics throughout the website. There's several forms. This information is, when it's filled out, it's emailed to someone at the company, and the information is stored on site so that it can be referenced later. It could be extracted into a spreadsheet. Here's their blog with postings, which you can share. You can go to related ones based on category. You can set up categories for your posts. People can leave a comment. They have to be approved before they're visible. People can share your post. Contact page. Again, these really cute graphics. I don't think we've been here yet. Nice slider function. Just like the portfolio items, the pictures will rotate on their own, or you can rotate them yourself. Let's see, I think we've already looked. Oh no, we haven't. There's the filter option, so you can say, "Oh, I just want to see the dogs," or "I just want to see the puppies." Excuse me, I went too fast there. I think the last thing to show you is the calendar of events. They don't have any upcoming events, but if we were to look at some prior ones, you can hover to get information. You can link on it or click on it to get more details with an interface to Google Maps. I think that wraps it up. It's just I think it's a nice, clean website, and it's all about the animals. And I think it's effective in relaying that information.